Hello, welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to create your AI avatar for your faceless YouTube channel. And it's completely free. Today you will learn how to take a picture of your avatar, combine it with sound, and you will be able to make your own video. The best app to create an avatar is Leonardo AI. You have to create an account and you can start making your avatar. Now that you have found an avatar that is good enough for you, it is better if the avatar has a mask, as it is easier to make it speak with a mask than without one. You can now download the picture and go to 11 Labs to get the voice that suits you. Hi, I'm AI Genius. How is your day going? When you have found a voice that suits you and configured all the settings, you can download the sound. Then switch to the video editing application. I use CapCut because it's free and one of the best apps for editing videos. Now, connect the avatar and the voice, and make his mask move while he talks. I will show you how. Take a screenshot of the mask and remove everything from the picture except the mask. Make the mask look exactly like it does when the avatar is talking. Then copy and paste it several times so that it repeats. Now that everything is finished, I have a video to show you. The video is an example that I made now in video while explaining to you how to do it. Hi, I'm AI Genius. How is your day going? If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and turn on notifications to notify you every time I release a video.